A very good afternoon. 1:20 by the watch. It's a midweek. I'm Jashin Kapani, the founder and CEO of Arm Decor Design. We're in the business of designing and manufacturing home and office decor and interior solutions. And as you know, there's a line of bags and accessories which are designed and uh, made for various clients by me and my team, and we've been doing this for a while now and stuff. So what am I sharing on social media right now? I'm not talking about my accessories or my furniture, everything. I'm talking about a new old school excuse me, I'm so sorry, fashion trend which is back. So if you've seen this movie Devil Wears Prada, it's got very popular for its glasses and the office culture and stuff with Meryl Streep. So there was this movie, The Devil Wears Prada and stuff. So from part two, the trend of bags is back in fashion and stuff. So these are not those bags, the big ones and stuff. These are actually the small bags, and these are basically Seychelles bags, which are actually being worn by Anne Hathaway, and she's wearing a beautiful, actually a gorgeous suit, and she's carrying this blackish grayish bag with a sling and everything. So what appears is that these bags are back in fashion and stuff, and they've given us some tips on how to kind of accessorize your work and your personal look, the weekend look and stuff like that, the street style, and how can you actually also have, like in design architecture, you have minimalistic designs and stuff like that. How do you do this with clothes and stuff? Okay, so one doesn't have to be crazy about fashion and lifestyle and stuff, but if you're someone who follows trends and stuff and you're kind of working on your looks and stuff, then this is a article you must read. It's talking about pairing a structured leather bag with trousers and a crisp shirt and loafers for an office look. It's talking about the weekend look, which is one of my favorites, a sling over jeans and a tee and sneakers for a laid back vibe. And then you have the street style edge, of course, when girls and women and boys and men like to go walking and stuff. It's actually about going bold with a bright colored bag with an oversized blazer and chunky sneakers and statement sunglasses and stuff. And the last is the classic minimalism, like any Scandinavian or any Danish work and stuff. It's actually about a black or a tan bag, which is paired with monochrome outfits for timeless, understated look and stuff. Okay, so the shiny bling is out. The average bags are out. These are actually about neutral classics and bold shades and early tones and stuff as well. So it's not like I've said at the onset, you have to carry whatever everybody else is carrying, but for a good look, you have to be tasteful. And if you're actually in the line of design or in the world of fashion or retail, or even I mean, even if you're not a part of any industry or whatever, these little things, they help to kind of give you that look. There are a lot of women and boys and men who don't work, but they are kind of updated with fashion and stuff. So one doesn't have to be so very crazy that you pick up the same outfit which a celebrity is wearing and stuff and all that. I mean, I've seen some girls who pick up Katrina Kaif ne ye skirt pehni hai, so we'll wear that skirt and stuff. So for me, that's a big no and a turn off and stuff. And an original statement is always fresh and nice and all that. So the pap shots from Devil Wears Prada has reignited the buzz and the attitude toward bags and stuff, and what you could carry in a bag. Okay, so it's a beautiful article. She's wearing a nice set of glasses, glares, and she's got this amazing hair color, and she's not fashionably dressed up and stuff. A nice belt and a nice bag. So this is what most of the retail outlets are offering us now. If you were to go to a Zara, if you were to go to the top 10, Satya Paul, or if you were to go to Louis Vuitton, or if you were to go to international brands and stuff, you'll see all kinds of bags and stuff. And following them are the Indian brands. If you were to go, if you were to go to a Max, if you were to go to a Lifestyle or a Pantaloon, most of them have also got some very good bag and stuff like that. So age must not be a limitation for designing and everything, and age must not be a limiting factor for what you wear and how you wear, because uh, you know. Your choice and your taste keeps changing and evolving and stuff and all, so one must get better and kind of carry stuff in a fashionable manner and stuff and all that. Okay, so love and luck and take care and have fun, have a blast. I'm on jkapani@gmail.com, Justine Kapani office at gmail.com, and justinekapani.im@gmail.com. So love and luck and take care, and thank you for your personal messages and your likes and stuff, and looking forward to meeting up in person and stuff. So stay kick-ass and enjoy what the world of retail, design, and shopping has to offer and stuff. So have fun and enjoy. And as usual and as always, a cheers on a nice cup of coffee. Love and luck. Take care. Have fun. Bye bye.